Hey there. Today, I'm diving into the incredible world of next-generation aircraft designs, where the future of flight is being reshaped before our very eyes. Get ready to be amazed by innovations like folding wings and open-fan engines that promise to enhance fuel efficiency and drastically cut down carbon emissions. First up, let's talk about folding wings. You heard that right, folding wings. This isn't just sci-fi anymore. Aerospace giants like Boeing are leading the charge with their revolutionary designs. Picture this, an aircraft with wings that can fold up, allowing it to park in smaller spaces and navigate through more crowded airports. Sounds like something straight out of a Transformers movie, right? But it's all real, and it's designed to optimize airport operations and reduce congestion. Now let's move on to the open fan engines, also known as ultra-high bypass ratio engines. These engines are a game changer. Companies like GE Aviation and Rolls-Royce are at the forefront of this technology. Open-fan engines are designed with fewer parts and are much lighter than traditional engines. This means they burn less fuel, making them far more efficient. But that's not all. The open design helps reduce noise levels, making flights quieter for everyone. But what does this mean for the environment? Well, these innovations are set to significantly reduce carbon footprints. By cutting down on fuel consumption, these aircraft will emit fewer greenhouse gases, making air travel more sustainable. This is a huge step forward in the fight against climate change. Imagine flying across the globe, knowing your journey is greener and more efficient. These advancements are not just theoretical, they're being tested and refined as we speak. The goal? To bring these next-gen aircraft into commercial service within the next decade. It's exciting to think about how these cutting-edge designs will revolutionize the aviation industry. So what does the future of flight look like? It's smarter, it's greener, and it's more efficient than ever before. With folding wings, open-fan engines, and a commitment to sustainability, the skies are set to become a lot more innovative. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the future of aviation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Fly high and stay inspired.